Are you ready to dive into one of the fastest growing industries in the world and unlock high-paying jobs in AI? What if I told you that you can do it all for free? Yes, you heard that right. Free courses that teach you the skills you need to land top jobs in artificial intelligence. Let's get started. First, let's dive into the top free AI courses available right now. Google AI Machine Learning Crash Course. This beginner-friendly course covers the basics of machine learning with hands-on exercises and TensorFlow. AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera. A perfect starting point if you're new to AI. It's focused on understanding AI concepts, no coding required. MIT OpenCourseWare, Introduction to Deep Learning. Learn deep learning from one of the most prestigious institutions in the world. Fast.ai, Practical Deep Learning for Coders. If you prefer learning through real-world projects, this is for you. Harvard CS50's Introduction to AI, a comprehensive course exploring AI algorithms and concepts perfect for beginners. Now let's talk about the jobs these courses can prepare you for. Data scientist, analyze data and make informed decisions using AI. Machine learning engineer, build AI models and algorithms that power tech innovations. AI researcher, work on cutting-edge AI solutions. NLP Specialist, focus on language-based systems like chatbots and voice assistants. Computer vision engineer, build AI tools for image and video analysis. These roles are in high demand and salaries range from $80,000 to $200,000 plus, depending on your expertise. The best part? All these courses are completely free. There's no better time to start than today. Check the links in the description and start your journey toward an exciting and rewarding career in AI. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with the course you're most excited to try. Let's build your AI future together. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content on AI and tech. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.